Hello friends, welcome back to the Global Media YouTube channel. Today we are going to study the sentences spoken daily in the school assembly. Good morning everyone. Make a line and go to the assembly ground. सुप्रभात सर्वांना. एक रांग करा आणि परिपाठ मैदानावर जा. Number 2. Get ready for the assembly. Get ready for the assembly. परिपाठसाठी सज्ज व्हा. Get ready for the assembly. Next sentence. Come fast. Get into the line quickly. Come fast. Get into the line quickly. लवकर या. त्वरित लाईनमध्ये या. Make line according to your height. Make line according to your height. तुमच्या उंचीनुसार रांग बनवा. Take one hand distance. Take one hand distance. एक हात अंतर घ्या. Take one hand distance. Eyes to the front or look at the front. Eyes to the front or look at the front. समोर पहा. Let's make your line. Hurry up. Let's make your line. Hurry up. तुमची रांग करा. घाई करूयात. Stand straight in the line. Stand straight in the line. रांगेत सरळ रेषेत उभे राहा. Stand straight. Nobody will talk. Stand straight. Nobody will talk. सरळ उभे राहा. कोणीही बोलणार नाही. Come forward, Veera. Come forward, Veera. Veera, पुढे ये.
Thanks for watching. For more knowledgeable videos, please do subscribe the Global Media channel and like the videos.